Namaste. This is the second episode of Nutrition Talks, Heart to Heart. I am Annapurna Sharma, and today's topic is free radicals. What are free radicals? Free radicals are independent molecules with one or more unpaired electrons. They are destructive molecules which are highly reactive and unstable in nature. They are desperate to combine with other molecules for stabilization, either by donating an electron or accepting one. In this process of stabilization, they damage cell structures, cell membranes, proteins, tissues, blood vessels, and DNA. If these radicals are not scavenged by the natural defense system, they will have deleterious effects on the body. These radicals are formed in all individuals during the normal metabolic process or from external sources. What could be the harmful external sources? External sources could be many, such as exposure to X-rays, smoking, alcohol consumption, environmental pollutants, certain drugs, pesticides, chemicals and heavy metals, radiation, exposure to excessive sunlight, high fat consumption, for example, fried foods, charred or grilled foods, stress, strenuous exercise. Excessive generation of free radicals can ultimately lead to diseases like cancer, heart disorders, rheumatoid arthritis, cataract, neurodegenerative diseases, autoimmune disorders. In fact, they damage all the cells within the body and hasten the process of aging and age-related disorders. Can we protect ourselves from these destructive molecules? Yes, of course. The key to protection lies in the quality of our food intake. Natural antioxidants protect our body from free radicals. These antioxidants are specific compounds present abundantly in plant products, especially fruits and vegetables. They quench the free radicals by balancing the electrons. The most common antioxidants are vitamin C, vitamin E, and phytochemicals. Vitamin C is also called as ascorbic acid. It increases the body resistance and reduces risk of diseases. It is important for collagen synthesis, heals wounds quickly, promotes iron absorption. Vitamin C reduces the side effects of chemotherapy and radiation and also reduces the risk of cancer. It is abundantly found in citrus fruits like lime, lemon, oranges. It is found in sprouts, gooseberry or amla, potatoes, and guavas. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble nutrient. It is yet another powerful natural antioxidant which neutralizes free radicals and reduces their deteriorating effects. It is found in dark green leafy vegetables, cabbage, broccoli, nuts and oil seeds like almonds, peanuts, vegetable oils like sunflower oil, safflower oil, and soybean oil. Phytochemicals are a wide variety of compounds found naturally in plants. They help in slowing down the aging process and the risk of other diseases like cancers and heart disorders. Some of the phytochemicals are carotenoids, flavonoids, anthocyanins, isothiocyanates, terpenes, lutein, etc. Phytochemicals are found in brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Carotenoids are pigments which are responsible for the red, yellow, and orange color of fruits and vegetables. They include beta-carotene, lycopene, lutein, and others. Beta-carotene is a precursor of vitamin A and helps prevent loss of vision. It is mostly found in mango, papaya, carrot, spinach. Lycopene is abundantly found in tomatoes, watermelon. Lutein is present in dark green leafy vegetables. Other foods which are rich sources of phytochemicals include berries, apples, grapes, peanuts, olives, etc. How can we help ourselves? Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables are a storehouse of protective compounds. They neutralize the destructive free radicals, combat degenerative disorders, act as anti-aging compounds, and reduce age-related diseases. They also lower LDL cholesterol, that is, low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, or otherwise called as bad cholesterol. They help increase HDL cholesterol or the good cholesterol. The fiber in fruits and veggies also helps to lower blood sugar levels. Apart from the protection that fruits and vegetables provide us, they also help to control obesity and assist in weight management. They act as blood purifiers by eliminating the toxins from the body. They are also found to be excellent relievers of constipation. Keeping all the colossal health benefits of fruits and vegetables, the recommended quantity is 4 to 5 servings per day for any ideal diet. Simple and easy methods to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your daily diet. Always keep a bowl of fresh seasonal fruits on the table. Colorful fruits in front of you might bring your attention to consume them. Make a habit to eat raw and fresh vegetables like carrot, tomato, cucumber as a salad. Have a fruit as a dessert at the end of every meal. Homemade soups are very nutritious and delicious. Try them. Enjoy eating fruits and veggies. Goodbye till we meet again.